In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Google Play Books app from your phone. First, go to your home screen where the Google Play Books icon is located. Tap and hold on the icon until options appear. Depending on your phone, you will see either uninstall or remove. Tap on this option once, and a confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall. Tap OK, and the app will be removed from your device. If, for some reason, this method doesn't work, there's an alternative way. Open the Google Play Store on your phone, and in the search box, type Google Play Books. Once you find the app in the results, tap on it. You will again see the option to uninstall. Tap on it, confirm when asked, and the app will be removed successfully. Now, in certain cases, you may not see the uninstall option at all. This usually means that Google Play Books is a default or pre-installed app on your device. In that situation, you won't be able to completely delete it. Instead, you will see an option called Disable. If that's the case, tap on Disable, and it will deactivate the app. While it won't be uninstalled entirely, it will no longer appear on your home screen or function normally. This is the maximum you can do with system apps, and this is how you can uninstall Google Play Books app.